Iyang Mino ko na yung military ang tabi na sa kulmatay program in Maysa Kapon Ranwatch. Apo yung ichumal pachob ang pachotan nilang kayo. Ichumal sa karatan wapan, kukurin sa matay coach. Apo yung isabal ng kupur limbak, kupur kalangan, dahil yung sa panati, maraming Kapon Ranwatch. Ichumal kayo po ni, kung kupuran balin wow, kalaba ko, rikso kang Pohnpei, pachotan wang kiso ko, likan, nan kaniya ko. Pajawan wang kemar samorokan dan wei Pohnpei. Pajawan wang kemelet kebenaran wei Pohnpei Honorable Wade Oliver. Karyawan kabina Honorable Francisco Yohanes. Pajawan wang ke Speaker Pohnpei State Legislature Honorable Yamaguchi. O members kan dan Pohnpei State Legislature. Pajawan wang ke Songkopong Labalap Honorable Nelson. Yung kamusong kong labalapan koros ng Wei Pohnpei. Pachawan Wang Kemelet sa Palpachay, Speaker ng Ranwatch, Honorable Mofik. Wang Wow, Wang Chief kan koros, Pachawan Wang Matikan. Wow kan koros, Marka ito kasabal koros, mawaw ko naman ito ka. Child koros Papa Nono, Kemelet kumain, John School kan. May kangkapoy sa Palpachay program ng Ranwatch. Nan sa Pohnpei program din tuwan na napachay Pohnpei sa Ranwatch. Agun ko na yung medal chay ng policy kanila paulo coach. Out depend sa Pohnpei program. Pagkawoy din ngayon sa Ranwatch yan kakiyang o papali sinsilo na pagmawon sa Pohnpei program ng Ranwatch. O ansawad kang kachawalo kayang tikan projection altis o dawalong rutsimata sa Pohnpei program ng Ranwatch.
May isang kasbilya tayo. Onay baan patuwan uliyang charity o sa karatan may isang Kapon Ranwatch. Uy ba nagis kape sa Ranwatch nan momot. Mayay momot sa kaya. Sa Ranwatch, mayay kumain sirupukan. Nagkumain na kan, nang yaton na tawag na facing bila sa Ranwatch. Nasilu, ang mayayuran, may nagkakasakasalan. Amai koyak lalakam koyak Ranwatch yang kagabis kabese amone kan katuan kapya kabese watch out of Ranwatch basidu mawai memang cuma sekretar mau ki kebenaran Pohnpei mau ki karakter education William Legislator, Pohnpei, Chief in Elementary, Chief in Secondary, Wait Walwa, Kakabanan, she will love to have it. Ranwatch, one day Bama to one William Teddy was a karata. Mia, she's a baby, near to get up. Ranwatch. Iran makauno kat kia galo ay tiyang isang bangun masilu par kit walupit na may siyang silu kabung diyang galo ramay na may nataranwat ang luya raka sa kwaliyo uday lang kapat kiyang sarapin minute ay sarapin minute kawatang umotsiyo ng Philadelphia ng US o kiyang atan umutsawat St. Catherine Prince Aliman patuan mulia itu memotso kapung dia ramai Ranwatch, baik letar Ranwatch dan dia rasa sepani baik. Saya dah patuan kecil dan sama saya kasih dan bisa mengkapun Ranwatch. Saya patuan yang benar, bukan patuan saya, patuan tapi dia berpukuran pacar. Kemarin saya mengenal Sarawi. Baik sahabat kot kalangan ng kukurami. Umagatan niya yung amendment with chorus. O kanatiyan maray ng rano. Baik sahabat kalangan. Sa batuan, pateng ni Catherine Drexel. O Joseph chorus. O kapagapki sa mamoy maray ulingan. remain samat kot. Yat mesan kamuran wat sepatutnya wasakset. Wasan patuan min kepada seri school bukan bangkrong. Kongkat kita selalu mengai serawi. Wani yang serupukat. Orang cemali lebih betul dan pengarai. Nintuan apa betuan. Eu kepada marai. Kongkat kita kepada marai. Sang yang rai betuan ikuti lenor rana. Kongkat ini yang rai korus, bukitkan korus. Kongkat kita yang rai semua mengai dengano. Wai sawasai rai. Nanarpan min mana bangkrong. Ai nakat me batuan belian kit korus sekar kita kamu. Umarenat kau Yesus Kristus. Kot manaman ang kajeng kuramawi kuai korus. Sa ona ongai sarawi dan cito mai sangat batuan.
Kalawan ng Kuromi Iganaltis. Nan sa Palmachel program, i-welcome remarks. Ilang bacuan lugaya. Walyaban Director in Education, Pohnpei.
Kailangan tayo uri bahan patuloy ng kapagawad ay tungal sekarang mga kapatid wala pa pwede sa mga words pwede ay sinarno marahin na kaskiyan aman-aman kasayin may yung talagang ewan panarahan o kapara Kuantas motor. Saya cuma sekarang orang kemarin sampai saya kenal dengan Pohnpei, anak kulit Oliver. Orang kemarin senador Mulut, Pohnpei, orang yang dikirimkan tiga. Orang kemarin Panono Principal kan Ursari School kan Karos Ursari Karos Kaya Beraros Kayu Tiyanti Sekarang Bisa Priadi Karakter Bagi Ilmiah Katarap Coror Baca Penanganan yang coba Ibasawan is tanggalo ituan patrol breaking child is real bagan gusto patrawan masa ng Pohnpei ka natin is uwi breaking pamahangin na masa so it is my pleasure to present this wonderful speech for our second Jeopardy competition for our rising students. I believe that everyone presented today is good and are super excited about today's competition. So I take this golden opportunity on behalf of the director to welcome our governor, Pohnpei State Governor. Please let us give him a round of applause. Thank you, Governor, for making the time of your busy schedule to be here to cheer up our students and also appraise the efforts by the Department of Education. Welcome our guest speaker, Honorable Carol Movit, Chairman of the Committee. I extend this warm welcome to to all our participating students. You are already winners. So just sit back, relax, and wait for the moment. Kaya pinagpapita sa sarili. I would also like to extend this warm welcome, hearty welcome to parents, principals, and all of our viewers. Your continued support and encouragement is highly appreciated. I would also like this opportunity to thank the committee in preparing this Jeopardy competition. May I ask that we also give them a round of applause to all the specialists from PRE Arts. Please stand for recognition, specialists at the back. So without further ado, let us begin this competition. Thank you very much.
Kalangan Chief, wagi Sekretariat Kosong Sensaler, nan sabal macam program yang sukses jalan kestiang, ane sung kesampal, ang kayong kesampalong belet kita suka membaca kendaraan waj. Ye ke speaker, wai sukses membaca waluga yang sabal macam ke speaker kendaraan waj. Honorable Arlenis Mofik, Chairwoman PWTC Pohnpei State Legislature. Jadi kecilan bacaan yang
Brasileña Maingo. Are you all here to win the competition? Is winning important to you? Is winning very important to you? Can I get an answer from you guys? It's not? What is important? What is important to you in this competition? Well, if anyone tells you that winning is not everything, I for one think winning is everything. Because I believe if you work hard at something, you strive to win. But losing is not the end of the world. You should take it as a learning experience to better yourself. One megoros kay pani plan ko po sa natal court where ko pur resabla makai pai po naman kita ranwat and tuanen kita sabal man ko rosan o yang patong tataw kasampalan ranwat ay tuan sakaran misigo wow man ko ran wasalaba ko isanaan ko likant ko lanalan ko nan kanyay ko lang kay tigan ko Rusya ay tuan wow man bilto ke Kopnayan wen Pohnpei, Koryong Kopnayan wen Pohnpei, ay tumal wow, and we'll talk of First Lady and Second Lady. Ay tumal wow, ong labalaptak ang government ko sa national, state, yung ang local government ko. Ay tumal wow, and we'll talk of kaunan mo mo kan. Protong wasakset, ay tumal wow, pantoke tikan altis, I told Wawan will talk Chief of Secondary. Melel I told Wawan will talk Director of Education. Puyaki Nintata as to young Patoma, Puyaka Ban Amarain, Nakataka program, what Planan and Bonus. I told Wow and will talk Chief of Elementary. O John the Department of Education kan Corusio, Sampatangan Corusio, Mebatong Ranwat, Principal kan Corusio, Sampatangan Corusio, Abmelen, Joy School kan Open A Mebatong Ranwat. My cotton Kuburaya, where Iban Paton in Wayan Wine, where Serigan Corus, Igamele, where Wine, Sutano, Pohnpei. When I was asked to be a guest speaker today, I had to call the director and ask, what is Jeopardy competition? It is actually the first time I've heard about this competition. And after he explained to me a little bit, I realized, it is Jeopardy as in Alex Trebek in NBC. You know, these guys compete for money. I'm not sure what your prices are, but they compete for money. This competition, the way it was explained to me, is supposed to stimulate and enhance your thinking capability. It also allows social interaction between students, teachers, and parents as well as you prepare for this competition. It is also a game that challenges each one of you to learn different things that you may not have thought important to learn. It should also boost your self-confidence as well as your social intellect. I thank the director and his staff for today because social learning is a very important aspect of our lives. In a study done in Asia, where they used Jeopardy in the classroom as a teaching alternative, they find that children improve very well in subjects as well as in their self-confidence. As a participant, when you leave here today, I'm sure your social skills will have been enhanced and you will learn a lot of new things that you did not know before today. I'm sure in your preparations for today, you must have had to work really hard with your teams to ensure you are well versed in the categories that will be presented to you today. Unfortunately, in any competition, not everyone can be winners. There will be winners and there will be losers. Of course, the winners will be happy and it is a boost to their self-confidence. But to the losers of today, don't be discouraged. Take this as a learning experience and understand why you did not win and what you can do to improve yourself the next time around. It is a learning experience to improving yourself. Losing builds character. And it is one of the most important life lessons, as loss is simply a major part of our life experiences. But trust me, it is how you respond to losing. When you pick yourself back up, it says a lot about you. It also gives you a drive and purpose and should make you want to strive to be better next time around in other things you do. All of you here today have the potential to win. Not only today, but at anything you do. But it is up to each of you to unleash that potential in you to be a winner. No one is going to give you that but yourselves. As a parent, teachers, educators, we provide the means for you to be winners. The opportunity to use that potential in each of you to be a winner is all up to you. Today you are playing a game, but the same principles that you need to win this competition is the same as that would apply in the real world. The foundation is built upon from elementary to high school to college and then into the real world. Hard work, dedication, and determination. If you haven't been serious about your education or think you can breeze through and pick it up in college, then trust me, you will have a hard time unless you're a genius, and I'm sure some of you guys are. But it can be done. You know, this week is the lead up to Women International Day. Women International Day is a day set aside internationally to reflect on the achievements of women. Women have come a long way to being recognized for their achievements. To all of you young women out there, sitting there, looking at me now, and young men as well. By now, most of you have already know what you want to become when you graduate from high school. Your choice of profession usually dictates the courses you will take now, and in college and your choice of school. What I want to encourage you today is to aim high, take the road less traveled. Become a pilot, become an engineer. Don't just become a nurse if you can become a doctor. Don't just become a stewardess if you can become a pilot. But whatever you decide to become, in the end, a farmer, a doctor, a nurse, be the best at what you decide. And if that's what counts, being the best at what you do in life. Here is a quote from Vince Lombardi, which I love and would like to share with you. The price of winning is hard work, dedication to the job at hand, and the determination that whether we win or lose, we have applied the best of ourselves to the task at hand. Herrera ito sa takalangan ng Pohnpei.
Kailangan sa kata kawin sa Honorable Moving, Bajong Kamelanan ng Uyang Igsawas, Suwang Chay, Sundadangan Boros, Bajong Slukan, Bapachuran, Nan sa Palmajay program ay Suwang Chay, Bang Kachlang, Leo sa karata kasampal, may Bachunan program, Governor's Message, o ay Suwang Chay, Bajong Lukay, sa Palmajay, Kapinan Uyang Pohnpei, Honorable Reed P. Oliver.
Kailangan rungi tayo ejungal sakaratan wow kapat-kapat om kay buni koros na tiyang moy when aso jugan so ejungal sakarata and wow kad pur korusye nan balian mumutso government o sa bun majain balian tiya patuan mo nigi Honorable Senator Mopik, Chairwoman and Committee PWTC, Director of Education, Deegan Haltis, Chief of Elementary kan, Principal kan, Joint School kan, o Jan Koros Mission Granwood was accepted. First of all, let me convey my apologies for coming late. As you can see in your program, you have the Lieutenant Governor to speak. I was just given notice this morning that I should be here. So here I am. And sorry that I'm late about 30 or 40 minutes. Because of timing, it's always crucial that we take up timing as an essential part of our daily activities. It also conveys the respect that each one of us has. If you're keen on timing, it shows how you handle timing as the important part of your life. So I really take it that I was late a couple of minutes. It's really a serious thing. Thank you for your patience this morning. I want to reiterate and support Senator Mopik's statements. A couple of things that I got from her speech. Vince Lombardi. I wish we have a Vince Lombardi trophy here because I also believe that all of you are winners. And I also believe that you represent your schools, not only your schools, but Pohnpei as well. And whatever you achieve today, in today's contest, whether it be EMC square or area which is length times width, or whatever the question would be, all of you are great. And I know, if not all of you, most of you are 4-point GPA students, achievers. So whatever you learn in today's contest, you call it Jeopardy, I call it academic competition. Do not be swayed away from anything other than what you have. Do not let your schooling be in the way of your education, because education is for life. So please do remember that all of us here, your teachers, your principals, family, your elected officials and representatives are really proud of you. We're very grateful that you've done well in school and you're representing your schools in today's competition. I also believe that there is no losers. Everyone is a winner, except for the scores on the scoreboard. So with that, I do not want to take up much of your time this morning. I really want to congratulate you guys for representing your schools. I want to thank your school principals and your school teachers for guiding you in this direction. And I hope that we do this on a base of every year, so the younger generation coming after you can also be motivated, inspired to do the best with what they have and what they do from what they learn from schooling, communities, families, and everywhere. Wishing you all the best in today's competition. Thank you very much.
Kailangan ko kurang may kabila. Nansabal macam program may sukses. Ceban kecelanger, nansabal macam dinonton program. Naya competition on ride high school su, Pohnpei Sarawak. O ang sukses ng bacaan lukayang PTO specialist, math specialist, Miss Benjamin Yohanis Wong kawawal sa chungan Wong sabal macam kamatong ka competition ng Sarawak. Kailangan.
Iyang o kasilelia na ito. Apo ito yan so, ay membagita na ichungal wawakan, kajama cha wawakan koros, at yung irmoy. Wawan ko kachtiyan ng chuan kaswa junsa. At this time, we will move on and start our second annual high school Jeopardy competition for school year 2022 to 23. But before we do that, it is very important first that the contestants understand the procedure and instructions for the competition. So please, contestant, listen carefully. I will read the instructions. First, a question will be read and in the meantime projected on a large screen for all to see. Contestants, you have 40 problems to answer. There will be 5 rounds for this competition. Each contestant will have 2 questions to answer for each of the 5 rounds. Each question is worth 10 points. You will have 45 seconds to answer each question starting from the moment each question is asked. Okay? Do not wait for the reading of each question to be completed. You are allowed to raise your hand anytime once you have solved for an answer, and then announce your answer. A blank sheet of paper is provided just in case you need to solve any problem. It's optional if you want to solve a problem. I will call on the person who first raises his or her hand to announce his or her answer. Each contestant will be given 5 seconds to answer the question. If you did not answer the question correctly, your opponent will have the remainder of the 45 seconds to raise his or her hand and announce This is very important. Listen, this is very important. Do not announce your answer until I call on you. If you don't raise your hand before you answer the question, your answer will not be recognized and your answer will not count. There will be a timer used to keep track of the 45 seconds. When the timer rings, the 45 seconds is up. And we will move on to the next question. Okay? Scores will also be projected on the board down. Okay? Last but not the least, should there be a tie score after the 5 rounds, the tiebreaker will be given. Each team will choose one person from their school to be the tiebreaker. And that's the end of the instruction. Now, let's get started with our very first round matchup. So I will call. Okay, so do you have any questions? Or do you have any questions before we begin? Yes?
So when we raise our hand and call us to answer, will we just do it each person one by one?
Okay, you raise your hand and then you announce your answer using those microphones. You raise your hand first. Okay? So if you raise your hand first, then you'll be the one to give out the answer first. Okay? But these will be the judges. They will be looking at who comes first and then third. Okay? Okay, any other questions before we begin? Yes?
Just making sure that I didn't hear properly. It's okay if we look behind for the judges to see your problems instead of just hearing the person speaking your problems out. And now the rest of you they go to
Yes, you can also look at the board. And I will be reading the questions as well. And the questions will be right in front of you. Okay, the judges will be providing the questions in front of you. Okay, any other questions? Okay, now let's get started with our very first round matchup. So, I will call on your name, and as you hear your name, immediately stand up and sit in the front seat. Okay, where your name is, where your school name is posted. Okay? Okay, so Sophia. The first row, where did you go? First row, because I will rearrange the. Yeah, Sophia, go there. Sophia, that's one.
I'll do the first row.
First row.
Sorry to interrupt. Can I have your attention, please, students? So, whenever you guys are working, and you're finished and you're satisfied with your answer, raise your hand. And for the rest of you guys, keep on working on the problem. And if you're done, raise up your hand. So, if CCA responds to the first answer and got it right, and then the person who raise up the hand after CCA will get the chance to respond to. Is it clear? Okay.
Okay. So let's start. Very first question. Okay, question number 1. In the past 2 years, a retailer has 232 stores. If the rate of growth remains constant, how many stores will the retailer open? ASDA?
196.
Sorry, incorrect. CCA?
148.
Correct. So CCA got the point. Okay, so that's the end of the first question. Let's move on to the second question. Thank you. Row 1, you may be seated. Now row 2, you may be seated in front. Okay, let's move on to the second question. Question number 2. Get ready? There are 50 students in a class. If 14% are absent, CCA?
There's 43.
Correct. 43 students. Good. Thank you. Row 2, row 3. You guys can move up. Question number 3. And here's the question. Julie is trying to make a birthday cake in a cone shape that has a height of 2 feet and a diameter of 4 feet. What will be the volume of the cake? PCS. PCS? 8. CCA? 16. Time's up. Okay, the answer is 8.373 repeating cubic feet. Okay, thank you. Row 3. Okay, we're on now question number 4. Okay, get ready. Question number 4. What is the slope of the given equation? 7x plus 18y equal -3. SDA?
Negative 7 over 18.
Correct. So SDA has the points, -7 over 18. Okay, next. Again, first row. Applicants again. Okay, question number 5. Get ready? If angle 1 equals x plus 50 and angle 2 equals 7x plus 50 and we're supplementary angles, solve for x. OLMCHS
X equals 10.
correct. X equals 10. Thank you. Next row. Question number 6. Get ready? Solve absolute value of 5x minus 1 minus 3 equal 9. STA?
X equals 7 over 5.
Incorrect. There's one more answer. MHS?
X equals 10 over 7.
The time is up. Sorry, it's incorrect. Time is up for question number 6. The answer is 7 over 5 and negative 1. Okay, thank you. Next row. Okay, question number 7. Get ready. Solve for the system of equations. 2y equals x plus 7, x equals y minus 4. ECS?
Y equals 3.
Sorry, incorrect. MHS? Sorry, William? Time is up. Time is up. Negative 1, 3. Negative 1, 3 is the correct answer. That's correct. That's the answer. Negative 1 and 3. Take the correct answer. Oil and cut the score for number 6. Oil and CHS. Okay. Last question for round 1. Okay, question number 8. Suppose the satellite radio company earned $125.4 million in 1 year. If the following year the company earned 2.5 times the amount earned the previous year, determine the amount earned and write your answer in scientific notation. Language arts. Okay, Ilani, can you share the score paper? Good morning, everyone. After the completion of our first round, after the completion of the first round, I want to present and with the total point of 20. Coming second in the state with a total point of 10. Yes. Now let's begin round 2. The first row, you may be seated in front for round 2. Okay, now we run question number 9. Okay, question number 9. Get ready? What is the easiest and most efficient way to determine the meaning of a word? SBA?
The easiest and most efficient way to determine the meaning of a word is to read through the sentence and search for context clues.
Correct. Yes, SBA point. Thank you. You don't need to say a complete sentence, just say the answer. Doesn't have to be in a complete sentence. Thank you. Okay, now let's move on to question number 10. Get ready? What do we call each group of lines, ideas, or a paragraph? All enunciations? Stanza, correct. Correct, conjunction. Good. Elementary, that's the point. Question number 12. Get ready for question number 12. Okay. Question number 12. What kind of writing provides factual information about people? SDA?
Informative writing.
Informational writing, correct? Thank you, SDA. Okay, we're on question 13. Get ready for question 13. What are the 8 elements of a story? Okay, time is up. Okay, for question 13. Okay, the 8 elements of the story are theme, plot, character, setting, conflict, point of view, tone, and style. Those are the 8 elements of the story. Thank you. Next row. Question 14, get ready. What are the 5 stages in a story structure? Oilen?
Exposition, rising action, climax, falling action, and resolution.
Correct. All enunciations at the point. Thank you. We are now at question 15. Okay, question number 15, get ready. What kind of poem uses only 3 lines? NMHS? Haiku. Haiku, correct. Okay, NMHS got the point. Okay, question 16. Get ready for question 16. What are the 8 parts of speech? STA?
Nouns, pronouns, adjectives, adverbs, verbs, preposition, conjunction, and interjection.
Good, correct. Okay, so that concludes of the language part questions. Thank you. Now we'll move on to round 3, science questions. Scorekeeper, the score is now, can you announce the score now?
After moving round 1 and round 2, STA and OLMCHS are both leading with a total score of 40. And coming next, CCA, second place, total score of 20. Thank you.
Row 1, you may seated in front. Okay, we are now on round 3, question number 17. Okay, question number 17 for round 3. Get ready. What group of organisms share a similar characteristics and are capable of reproduction? SDA? Species? Correct. Species. SDA got the point. Okay, question number 18. Contestant, get ready. What element is found in all STA, CCA? Carbon. Say it again. Carbon. Carbon, correct. CCA at the point. STA got the point. Is it STA? CCA got the point. Sorry, not STA. CCA. Okay, next question. We are now on question 19. Get ready? Photosynthesis is a biological process that occurs in autotrophs. SDA? Oxygen. Sorry, incorrect? Fixed? Next? Animation? Glucose, that's correct. Okay, thank you. Next row. We are now on question 20 for round 3. Okay, get ready. What causes the seasons? SDA?
Earth's rotation.
Rotation?
The Earth's tilt and the Earth's rotation.
Any others? Sorry, almost. Animation?
Changing of the weather.
Changing of the weather. Can you repeat your answer once again?
The Earth's tilt and rotation.
Sorry, that's correct. Tilt and rotate. That's correct. Okay. So let's take at the point. Okay. Next row. We are now on question 21. Okay, get ready. Question 21. Which of Newton's law describe inertia? SDA? Pigs? Speak louder, please. Can you? SDA? Okay, so number 2 is SDA or CCA? CCA, number 2, can you answer the question?
Newton's second law.
Sorry, incorrect. Okay, so the time is up. The time is up for that question. Okay, so what's your answer?
Words. Newton's first law of motion.
Newton's first law of motion. Judges, who got the 10 points? SDA got the point. Okay, let's move on to question 22. Okay, question number 22, get ready. A mushroom is composed of many cells that have nucleus. CCA. Fungi. Sorry, correct? Animation? Eukaryotic. Good, correct. Okay, good. Okay. Now we're on question 23. Okay, question 23. Get ready. What is the atomic number for this element? Oxygen? NMHS? 6. Sorry, incorrect. PCS? MHS? Sorry, incorrect. PCS?
O2. Sorry, incorrect. Oilan? Sorry, incorrect. The time is up. Okay, so what is the atomic number? 8. 8. Okay, thank you. Next row. Okay, so question number 24. This is the last question for round 3. Question 24. Okay, so the question is, get ready? When water is heated, what happens to its molecules? Olan?
They get compressed together.
Sorry, incorrect. SPA? SPA?
When water is heated, its molecules changes matter.
Sorry, incorrect. Time is up for question 24. Okay, the answer is, it becomes active or it expands. Okay, so that's the answer. Okay, thank you. That's the end of round 3 for science. Okay, let's move on to round 4, social studies. Round 4. Question number 25. Okay, first row. Okay, scorekeeper. Thank you again. As of now, the leading scores are now 40, goes to animation and all MCHs. That is the second, not the first. And the leading score is SDA, leading with a total point of 70. SDA, animations and all MCHs, followed by CC with a total point of 30. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, judges, are you ready? Okay, question number 25. Round 4, beginning of round 4. Okay, get ready, contestant. Question number 25. What political party does the Prime Minister represent? Olam? Republican? Sorry, incorrect. PCS?
Executive.
Sorry, incorrect. CCA?
The monarchy.
Sorry, incorrect. Oilan? Can you say louder?
Mercy.
Sorry, incorrect. Time is up. The time is up. Thank you. So the answer is Liberal Party. Okay, up next. Second row, let's move on to question 26. Okay, get ready. What is democracy? SDA?
A form of government for the people, where the people are allowed to vote.
Okay, any other CCA?
Government led by the people. They are the people who have power.
NMHS?
Government led by group of people.
Okay. Can we? That's the time is up. The answer is government elected by the people.
That's what she said.
I'm sorry, NMHS, did you say elected by the people? Okay, sorry, correct NMHS. Judges, may kaway ko na answer plan when that developed was Okay, question, let's move on to the next question. Question number 27. Okay, get ready. What is the first part of the Constitution called? X? Preamble, correct. Okay, next row. Now we run question 28 for round 4. Okay, question number 28, get ready. What form of government recognizes a God or divine being as the supreme ruler? SDA?
A religious government?
Sorry, incorrect. Time is up. Okay, so question number 28, the answer is theocracy. Okay, now we're on question 29. Round 4, social studies. Next row. Okay, question number 29. Okay, contestant, get ready. What do we call a form of government? BCS?
Monarchy.
Sorry, incorrect. CCA?
Dictatorship.
Sorry, correct. OLMCHS?
I also was thinking dictatorship.
Sorry, incorrect. PIGS? Repeat it. Democracy? Incorrect, sorry. SDA?
Authoritarian government.
Sorry, incorrect. Time is up. Okay, so the answer for question 29 is autocracy. Okay, thank you. Okay, next row. We're on now question number 30. Okay, get ready. Question 30. Where is the Prime Minister chosen from? SDA?
Parliament.
Sorry, correct. Next. Okay, so the time is up. Okay, the answer for number 30 is from the House of Representatives. Okay. Next round. We're now on question 31 for the fourth round. Okay, question 31. Get ready. What form of government in which only a small group of people have political rights? SDA?
Totalitarianism.
Sorry, incorrect. Time is up for question number 31. Thank you. The answer is oligarchy. That's the answer. Thank you. Okay, now we're on the last question for round 4, question 32. Okay, contestants get ready for question 32. The question is, which democracy do citizens elect people to protect their rights? Ireland? Sorry, incorrect.
Full democracy.
CCA?
Federalism. Democracy.
Sorry, incorrect. SPA?
Constitutional democracy.
Sorry, incorrect. The time is up. The answer is representative democracy. Okay, so that's round 4. Okay, now we're at the end of, we're now on the
5, the 5th round.
Before going to round 5. SDH can lead with the total point of 70, followed by NMHS with a total point of 50, and then third is all of CHS, 40 points. Thank you.
First row. And the 5th round includes the questions on Pohnpei studies and health. And question number 33 for round 5, for the 5th round. Pohnpei studies. Question number 1. Question number 33, sorry. Question 33. The question is, ya katanas mabuyan dyan pasannan Martin? Kogala. Animation? Kogala. Kogala. Correct. Pohnpei studies, yes. Just try your best to answer. Thank you. Okay, question number 34. Media, lang kayo kasalunan hatian lang analisokan. Text. Nos. Sorry, friend. MHS? Sorry, incorrect. Animators? Tau, it is. And tau. Correct. Okay, question number 34. 35. Question number 35. Get ready for question 35. Yeah, atay sa kulman mo sa kitchen. Animation. So man. Boom. Question is, media natin ka chanjanir, animation, samsung. Correct. Okay, so that's the end of the Pohnpei studies questions. Okay, now we move on to the health questions. With the next row, number 36, question number 36. Question number 37. Okay, question number 37. Get ready. What is the formula for finding a body mass index of an individual?
E equals MC squared.
Okay, so the time is up. Thank you. The formula is body mass index equals weight in kilogram over height in meters. Okay, next question, question 38. Ready? What does CPR stand for? NMHS? SBA?
Circulatory pulmonary repetition.
Sorry, correct. CCA?
Cardiopulmonary respiration.
Almost. You're missing a word. Next. MHS? NMHS?
Cardiopulmonary resuscitation.
Yes, correct. Cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Thank you. Next row. We have 2 more questions left for this competition. Okay, question number 39. Get ready. What is the period from childhood to adulthood called? Oilen? Adolescence. Good, correct. Now, our last question for today's competition, which is question number 40. Last question, get ready. What important information can you find on a food label? MHS? MHS. Speak louder, please.
Nutrients.
Nutrients. NMHS.
Water, vitamin, mineral, or vitamin, fat, and
SPA.
Never mind.
Violin.
Ingredients and calories.
Time is up. Okay, so CCA. Correct. That's the nutrition values. Okay, correct. CCA is correct. Okay, so that concludes our questions for today's Jeopardy competition. Thank you all. And now we'll look at the scores. Scorekeeper.
kalangan mo nevan patuyo na kasensalatan resolve apayo mawiyay tungal sa karataan mo ni kabana on di sibul lawan lang-langkan harus mengangkat kepada wasak seda jauset Pemawang itu principal kan harus melewaskan apelen dan padawan mau lagi detailkan harus bahwa company dari ranwat kalangan promain kami sesalah ranwat kuita sapal matai Jeopardy competition 22-23 o biayar kuita sesal number yau number 10 jadi harus kuita ranwat macam Parwat yang Korea ada yang bukan competition buat. Ibatawan kami lele sang ni Parwat memang tersalah Parwat lebelan malamnya. Bilmentola do bilwalian di kami ni. Buat cuma sakar musik pagmak program terus sensal Korea sisa dan koyang yang kamu tahu ang may kasing kubra wasakan masih teacher bagi sangat cuma sekoyang sekarang siyang sang merenbat kacola sehingga kamau ila dan parakan terus. I would also like to say that on behalf of the team, the committee, to say a few words of apologies for everyone. The mistakes, all the things we've done that is not so good today, we ask for your blessing so we can move on. We believe next school year it will be better. Since this year is our second competition. I want to go ahead and congratulate everyone. We are winners today. However, using the points, we got really top 1, 2, and 3. So our third place for this second annual Jeopardy competition with the points of 50 points kay Labulog Tama OLMCHS. Second place in our competition with 70 points. Let's give a round of applause to STA School. And our first place for the second annual Jeopardy competition with a score of 100 points. And the one yang nakalog kita ay school animators. Ayan din po ito score na tayo ng katuan ng receiver kayo sa kalang.
Kalangan. Our gifts are in a trophy form, so once we'll head down at Fusion, we'll present those trophies to the first place, second place, and third place. And this year, we are fortunate enough for the first place to receive a monetary award for the amount of $300. Okay, this is an encouragement for you guys. This upcoming event, for you guys to strive for more and for your best. Okay? Thank you all, and let's give our students a big round of applause. Oh, for the lunch, I'm just going to be announcing for the lunch. It's going to be for the guests, the students, and the school administrators, and then the people from the office, I think. So I think I was instructed that it was only 50 seats available. Okay? Reservation for 50 people. And everyone who likes to join. We also have your bags for awards for the students. I'm going to ask my colleagues, especially to please hand over the bags. For the sake of time, this map will be given to each and every one of you guys who participated in this event. And keep it, it's yours. And then they will just deliver to you guys the bags. And it's more like a token of appreciation from the office for you guys participating in this second annual Jeopardy competition. Next on our agenda is closing remarks, and I would like to ask all upon Mr. Joven Levi, Chief of Secretariat Education. Let's give him a big round of applause.
Announcement. The second part of our Jeopardy competition will be held at Fusion Restaurant. All are invited to attend Jeopardy luncheon, where we will celebrate today's success. I thank you all.
Kapilya Michael, and Patrick Sakatan Wow and Jerry Boy. Kailan aku wow penyelam mereka sampai ke pasal jauh lain kalian baita mau wow turun mau general governor Pohnpei Oliver Pohnpei case level of chorus और रियल अनोनो आप पहले स्टेट स्कूल में प्रिंसिपल प्लान चौथा तांगा करो इवेंट पटुआन पुलियान पे पहले ऑप्शन कंपाइन कमराए डायरेक्टर Payatman couple love participate member the my second young army school member. I would also like to thank special messages from Senator Moffat and the Governor for your advice. I know that everybody, the accomplishment we received or had today, thank you all. You guys show your effort, work hard. I know that we have number 1, 2, 3, but to me, everyone is number 1, the student. Thank you all. And next year, I believe this is the second annual. The first year, last year we have here also, and most of the question I believe, if I'm not mistaken, is about part of the pandemic. But this year, I know that we look at all the subject areas that were taught in our school. So I ask that next year we will be ready and enjoy for the preparation of next year. We expect you all to be there next year. Kailangan ng pagbaros na amen. Kailangan.
So the next part of our competition will be held at Fusion. So I ask students and everyone here to be there at Fusion for our lunch. Kung kailangan ng programay o event from sa balik kayo o sa Pohnpei Jeopardy competition school year 2022-2023. Kailangan ng